Today is a really quick and easy video about how to price your services if you are a professional calligrapher. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings on Saturday. Today we're just talking about calligraphy as a career, and I've been posting a lot that you can enroll in Calligraphy 101. Now, I hope that I did not mislead you. I am not going to teach you how to do calligraphy. I'm not going to teach you how to do broad strokes, thin strokes, up strokes. I'm going to assume you know that. Calligraphy 101, as you know for everything else, I want to teach you how to make money using your hand lettering skills. So Calligraphy 101 is really going to be about pricing. I think that is the number one thing that everyone struggles with, and it's the number one thing that nobody wants to really share information about. So we are going to break it down in Calligraphy 101 exactly how to get better at your services, how to position yourself if you want to be a high-end calligrapher versus just a casual one, how to get some gigs if you are trying to go after corporate jobs, and also how to price yourself, most importantly, for the number one thing everyone asks for, which is wedding invitations. So in general, I'm going to just leave you with this today is one, you could try to nickel and dime your clients. And I know a lot of calligraphers do, and they add up markup and they have this whole elaborate process where they have to create this custom pricing proposal for the client. And quite honestly, I think that confuses your client and gets them overwhelmed. And I think a lot of the time they just say, heck with this, I don't understand this pricing proposal. I'm just gonna hire someone from Etsy who's going to do it super cheap, and it's not gonna cost me more than $10, and I'm exaggerating about the $10, but it's not gonna cost me that much, and at least I understand their pricing. So here's what I would suggest. Instead of having a price sheet where you talk about the invitation card, the groom card, the attendant card, all these things that are like probably going over someone's head unless they are the wedding planner themselves, who is another professional, then I would suggest instead creating packages. Packages where you just tell people here is a middle or a low, middle, and high tier. So they are going to be looking at price points. Now, if they want extras beyond the package, yes, then you could kind of, what I say, nickel and dime them to add extra things in there. But you need a good starting point, and you need to show that you understand what goes into a wedding invitation suite when it comes to hiring a hand letterer. Again, I think the best thing you can do is create wedding invitations or partner with someone who does and get some templates from them so you can sell things as a package. Now, if you want to explore this more, and we talk actual dollars and cents, what you can charge, where you can buy supplies, then make sure to sign up for Calligraphy 101. That is free, and that is below. So that course should be kicking off next month, but make sure you're on the list, and I will talk to you guys Thursday. All right, bye.